I was able to live. The pigger of piggers is there. The pig of piggers. Yeah, he jumped me. Wait, that's the protector dog. No. Yeah. Zuma. Yeah, fight her. Zuma, attack. I got her. She's eating me. Okay, I got her in the head. Got her in a pretty good headlock. Zuma, eat him. Zuzu. Zuma. Oh no. Zuma. Zuzu. Yeah, you scared him off. Now I got those BTs there. Wait. Zuma. Zuzu. Zuma. Zuma. Come on, Zuzu. He bit my leg off. Look at Zuma running. Zuma, up here. There's no enemies up here today. Oh, shoot. Ah! Ah! Grab this weapon. Kill it. Woo. Ground pound. I got his butt. I stole its butt. Zuma. He's running. Come here, Maverick. Maverick! Down. Go over there. I dare you. Maverick. Go. I almost killed him. Right. Zuma! Don't eat that grass, please. Zuma. I need heals. Quick. Okay, that hurt, but he healed me. Zuma, let's go. Now my leg regrew. Oh shit! It's also running that way. Climbing the hill again. Maverick! This is exactly where I died last time. Right on one of these slopes. I went practically like that. Maverick! Wait, I have turrets. Watch. Maverick! Oh. Ah. I fell down and scared him. Zuma! Wait. What's that sound? Oh, they're about to plummet us with rocks! Run. Go. Wait, that's his item. Hurry up. Punch him. I punched him, he dropped his special item. Wait, now he wants the item. Oh, the puppy of doom wants it. Go! I threw the item. Wait, he's labeled as a fetch dog, so and that one's labeled as a killer dog. He might come back with it and bring the killer dog with him. The killer dog's tearing him up. I gotta go save Zuma, the protector dog. Make sure he's up here. I think he's over here. Zuma! I'll be back, boys. Okay, I found him. They try to lock my boy up in this cage. Let's go. The rebellion will die. Oh, I tripped over a stump. I can dump him in here and wheel him out. Fight! I got the item again. I got the special item. Oh God! The killer dog's after me. He's great. I threw the item. They went after it. Mr. Jaws over there. Jasmine! Knock it off, please. Yes! Sorry, we have to pause our game for a bit to tell the dogs to stop fighting. Okay, continue. Oh no. Ah! I'll fight you. Get away from my protector. I am your king. Ah, he got my leg. Go. Goodbye. This is our final episode. Zuma, let's go. We will clash into battle. They're scared of me now. We will grab our weapons. Sorry, I act like a statue when cars come by. We'll grab our weapons and let's go. No. Yeah. Ah! He's eating me! He's killed me. Goodbye, boys. This is my final message. See ya.